available to help you whenever an issue rises, and we have the obvious affordable pricing. The WordPress hosting plans start at only $8.99 per month, and there are other affordable plans you can check out as well. You will also have 30-day site. Select the domain that you purchased in step 1 to use, and then click Install WordPress, and now the automated installer will configure everything and set up the WordPress. Once you've found your optimal theme, click Activate to apply it permanently, and you just need to take your time previewing WordPress teas until you find one that perfectly matches your brand style and the desired goals the single choice can make or break your entire website's performance and visitor experience. Now, in case you wanted to expand your WordPress site's functionality with some key plugins, here are some highly useful free plugins to install. You've got Yeast SEO, which optimizes pages for higher Google rankings. Contact Form 7, which lets you easily add submission forms for engaging visitors. And you also have WordPress Smash, which compresses images for faster load times. This one is extremely important. And Google Analytics, to connect Google Analytics for in-depth site stats. WordPress makes installing the plugins very easy. All you have to do is just search in your dashboard, click Install, and then Activate, and don't forget to update your plugins regularly for security. And with that, you will have the full walkthrough and creating professional WordPress website with GoDaddy hosting. When you choose a well-designed theme and ad, and with that, you will have the full walkthrough and creating professional WordPress website with GoDaddy hosting. When you choose a well-designed theme and add essential plugins, customize design through your theme, and publish optimized written content, you will notice just how much of a massive difference this makes and how much empowerment you will add to your site that drives growth for your business or ideas. I hope that you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch. If it was, let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content that we make.